major in automotive. My hobby is playing basketball, playing badminton. My drastic improvements in myself is time management to ensure reach my goals of graduating college and to visit school that I can give the needs of my family. And by focusing on my technical subject NCP, I am saying drastic improvements in my ability to solve real problems. This subject is important, giving both of tools that leadership social awareness and social personal life. Everything is controlled that can help you achieve goals within your preference or become a productivity professional and serve to others people that who can lead and serve other people.
One. Create a 10 minutes introduction video, including answering the given question. Below, then post it on YouTube. Submit the link.
Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Mawit, first year college student, major in automotive. My hobby is playing basketball, playing online games.
What is your goals in life? Give at least one.
My goals in life is to graduate in college, to become professional automotive, and to be successful that I can give the needs of my family.
What is drastic improvement to yourself? Would you do this semester to achieve given goals in life of yours?
Define your answer.
My drastic improvements in myself is time management to ensure reach my goals of graduating college and to be successful that I can give the needs of my family. And by focusing on my technical subject NSTP, I am saying a drastic improvements in my ability to solve real problems.
What do you think is the importance of this subject in achieving your goals? This subject is important for achieving goals because it's develop discipline, leadership, and social awareness. You need to succeed in both your professional career and your personal life. NSTP subject helps you achieving your goals by building character and leadership skills necessary to become a productive professional who can lead and serve others effectively.
Thanks for watching.